In an age where weight scales seem more like roller coasters, the quest for stability has never been more vital. Weight maintenance isn't just about aesthetics, it's intertwined with our health, longevity, and self esteem. Amidst this struggle emerges a beacon of hope: the whole foods plant based diet, a path to weight stability and overall wellness. Welcome to Plant Pure Wellness, your go to resource for understanding the incredible benefits of a whole foods plant based diet. Dive deeper by subscribing to our channel, and if you find our content valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Across the globe, a silent but thundering epidemic rages on. A staggering 650 million adults are classified as obese, with over 1.9 billion falling into the overweight category. In perspective, nearly one-third of the world's adult population is grappling with weight challenges. It's not for lack of trying, though. From every corner, solutions scream for attention. The allure of fad diets promising quick fixes, the sweat and toil of intense gym sessions, and the siren song of weight loss pills beckoning many, offering a glimmer of hope. Yet the reality remains grim. While some find fleeting success, for many, the battle of the bulge is ongoing and relentless. Efforts often end in discouragement as consistent weight maintenance becomes an elusive dream. It begs the question: is there a more effective and sustainable way? A whole foods plant-based diet is like putting Mother Nature on your plate. It means eating foods just like they came from the earth, without too much stuff added or taken away. Think of a fresh apple, not apple-flavored candies. It's about picking natural over artificial. What's on the menu? Lots of tasty things. Fruits like bananas and strawberries, vegetables like carrots and broccoli, grains like rice and oats, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Now, how is it different from other diets? Simple. On a whole foods plant-based diet, you won't find animal products like meat or milk, and goodbye to heavily processed foods and oils. Instead, it's all about enjoying nature's bounty in its purest form. Let's put on our science hats for a moment and dive deep into why this diet can be a game changer. First up, high fiber intake. Imagine fiber as your food's best friend. It helps you feel full, like after a big meal. Plus, it takes time in your stomach, so you don't quickly get hungry again. And guess what? It's also a superstar in helping your stomach do its job correctly. Next, the whole foods plant-based diet is low in saturated fats. Saturated fats are like the naughty kids in the food world. Too much of them, and our bodies might store extra fat. But with a plant-based diet, there's less of this naughty stuff. Then there's nutrient-dense, calorie-sparse. It's a fancy way to say that these foods are packed with good stuff your body loves, but don't make you gain weight quickly. It's like having a big bag of popcorn at the movies. It's a lot to eat, but not as heavy as a big bag of candy. Lastly, natural regulation. With all these nutrients, our body knows when to stop eating. It's like having a built-in alarm saying, "I'm full, no more food is needed right now." So we naturally don't overeat. Simply put, this diet gives your body the perfect toolkit to manage weight smartly. If you thought the whole foods plant-based diet was just about weight, buckle up, because there's more goodness to unpack. First, let's talk about the improved gut health. Our stomachs and intestines have tiny helpers called the gut microbiome, like an army of friendly bugs. Eating plant-based foods is like giving them their favorite snacks, so they work better and keep their tummies happy. Next, we have the stable blood sugar levels. Imagine sugar in our blood as fuel for our body. Too much or too little, and things can go wrong. But this diet is like having a perfect balance, reducing the chance of getting type 2 diabetes. Now, let's chat about heart health. Our heart is like the engine of our bodies. Plant-based foods act as the perfect fuel, helping reduce bad fats called cholesterol, and keeping our blood pressure in check, ensuring our heart beats happily. Lastly, an environmental bonus. By choosing this diet, you are also a superhero for our planet. It's like planting trees without actually growing them. We use less water and produce less harmful stuff for the environment, like carbon. So it's a win for us and a big win for Mother Earth. Alright friends, let's bust some myths and clear the air about this fantastic diet. Starting with protein source. Some folks think you need meat to get strong and have muscles. But guess what? Plants have muscles too. Okay, they are not really muscles, but they do have protein. Foods like beans, lentils, and even some greens have loads of it. so don't worry, you won't turn into a noodle without your steak. Now, about the expenses. Some think eating like this will empty your wallet. Mother Nature's got your back. Buying foods in more significant amounts, like rice or beans in bulk, can save some bucks. Also, choosing fruits and veggies in season can be easier on the pocket, so it's possible to eat healthy without breaking the bank. Lastly, variety and taste. If you're scared of getting bored, think again. Our planet offers a colorful buffet of fruits, veggies, and grains. From spicy curries to sweet smoothies, a world of flavors is waiting to dance on your taste buds. So there's no chance of running out of yummy options. Ready to give it a shot? Cool! Let's take baby steps together. Firstly, you don't need to go all in from day one. How about starting with just a couple of plant-based meals each week? Like maybe a tasty veggie stir-fry or a fruit-packed smoothie for breakfast. Easy, right? Next up, take a peek at your regular meals. Have you got chicken? Swap it out for some tofu or chickpeas once in a while. Love your burgers? There are some super tasty plant-based patties out there. It's like a fun food swap. And if you're wondering, what should I cook? The internet's got you covered. Dive into the world of online recipes or check out WFP BD meal plans. You'll find a treasure trove of yummy ideas waiting to be tried. Lastly, and most importantly, remember this. It's all about the journey, not the destination. So if you have a day where things don't go as planned, it's okay. Pat yourself on the back for trying and keep going. Every meal is a new chance to choose plants and be awesome. Alright, friends, here's the scoop. A whole foods plant-based diet isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good, inside and out. It's like giving your body and the planet a big, friendly high five. The benefits are enormous, from taking care of our weight to making our hearts happy, and even being cool to Mother Earth. So why not give it a whirl? Try it out, and feel the incredible changes for yourself. Because you, my friend, deserve the best. Go plants!